are coming in and they're breaking it up, folks. Supposed to leave, so they're leaving. It can really cause a seizure with those lights. Ooh, nice. What's up, homegirl? Nice. Say what's up. Ooh. All the players coming out. All the players coming out tonight. Ooh. Come on, dog. Look at this bad boy. Swell out the caddy, dog. Yo, man, we got big old trucks coming. We got hoppers. I hear hella music. Oh, these are dope. Love the plaque. Love the plaque, dog. Posted up, ready. Posted up, posted up. Look at this homeboy right here. What's he gonna do for us, folks? Uh-oh. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. That's a Ram truck. Oh, look underneath. Hey, they like their lights in Vegas, boy. This thing is tough. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. a Capricorn as well. Oh, there's the breeze. Nice. We got dope trucks. We got lowriders. It's 105 right now, so people are just coming out. It's like the perfect time. Oh, this guy left the doors open for us. Let's dip in here. Woo! Whoa! Let's get in here. That is cool. Whoa! That's the back. Look at the front. Whoa! Look at that, folks. Sin City repping well with the rides, man. Look at those. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the detail on that. That's wild. That's sick. Jackpot, baby. Jackpot. Alright, we're gonna check out the drivers, man. Oh, even the pedals. That's nice. The detail on this is just insane. So cool. There's homeboy that owns it right there. Alright. Oh, it overheat. Viva Las Vegas. Sheesh. Oh, dog. It'll cool down. It'll cool down. Woo. It'll be all good, right, dog? Yeah. Ooh, you feel it. Jesus Christ. You feel the heat on that, boy. It'll be all good, though. It'll be all good. Ain't no thing. These trucks are impressive, man. Sheesh. That's the star. I like this. That's an orange one. Thank you for bringing this out, man. It's on that next level, dog. That player level. Oh, yeah. I saw your pedals. Oh, yeah. Like, come on. Oh, that's dope, dog. I think it's clean, boy. Clean, dog. Clean. It's clean. But look at this. Boom. What's up, baller? That's sick. We got the Lambo, dog. The Houdini wraps. They're all repping. Oh, that's sick. They go to the city above. Ooh, he dropped it, dog. Oh, yeah, boy, it's gonna be on tonight, man. On like Donkey Kong. So dope, so dope. Ooh. We got two cool rides right here. Look at this G rides right here, boy. That's sick. Woo, I can't wait to get this baby right out. That thing's impressive, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Nope. Very cool, homeboy. Very nice. Sick.
Yeah, you got a whole new one, huh?
Doing their due diligence, I suppose. I don't know. All right. Cops are coming in, and they're breaking it up, folks. Breaking it up. All right there, look. And for what? Everyone's posted up, chilling. But maybe this is a private owned parking lot. I don't know. Whoa, cops! Ah! They could really cause a seizure with those lights. God, they came too late. alrighty then. Hey, that's a smart car, dog. That thing's great on gas. Well, that thing's sick. Look, everyone's leaving, dog. Popo's time to leave. Let's watch everyone leave. Popo said leave, so they're leaving. Rats! It's all good. Again, we're gonna go out to the strip, at least the main street in Old Vegas, and hopefully we get some cars cruising. Let's get a head start because everyone is leaving right now, and I'm sure they're gonna go out. Man, look at that cops coming. I swear that lasted what? An hour, if that? Hopefully the party doesn't end now. Where are people supposed to kick it though? And floss. I don't get it. All right, folks, let's make the best of it, as they say. Damn, sure. She knows, dog. To Main Street. All right, everyone. Trying to find another cruise spot, I guess. Look at that baby right there, boy. That's swell. Woo. One lowrider. High class. Let's go. Another homeboy right here. Another one. Woo! There we go. A little something. Nice. Woo! Oh. Nice. That boy's clean, boy. Yeah. Woo, that boy's clean. Woo, woo. Found a new little parking lot. Now they're posted. Hey, those are the rules, right? Those are the rules. So we found the second spot off of Main Street, off of the Old Vegas. Everyone's just posted, man. Try to make the best of it. Let's go. Guys gone. Where are they going? You guys gone? Well, everyone, I was short but sweet. And the cops came down fast here in Vegas. I'm tired, man. It's 11. I think it's 100 degrees, but anyway, see you in the next YouTube, y'all. Much love. Stay safe out there.